Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Isaac the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your TikTok account private. Now guys, once you make your TikTok account private, people won't be able to find your TikTok account on TikTok app, and also they won't be able to interact with your videos. So guys, if that's what you want, let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is to of course open your TikTok app. And now once you open your TikTok app, head to your TikTok profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, and then click on these three lines at the top right corner. And after that, go to settings and privacy. And once you're right here, just click on the privacy option, which is actually the second option there. And then you have the option to make your TikTok account private. Now there's this little message just below the option which says with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Right, that's what you want. Go ahead and turn on the toggle button, and then your TikTok account will be private. So guys, hope this tip was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.